today is a crash course on the different types of cloth diapers. First, you have the basic cloth diaper with a cover. This is a rectangle or big square of fabric. This is called a flat because it's big and flat. This is called a pre-fold because it is a flat that has been folded up. And so it's either a flat or a pre-fold folded up around the baby and a waterproof cover around it. Second type is a fitted diaper, which is like a flat or a pre-fold, but it's already diaper shaped. Put that around the baby with the handy Velcro that it comes with, and then put a waterproof cover around that. So this is called a fitted with a cover. Third type is called an all-in-two or a hybrid diaper or a insert with a cover. So it's going to be an insert and a cover. Sometimes these come with snaps that snap the insert and the cover together on one end or both ends. Sometimes they have a soft fabric lining instead of the waterproof lining. And sometimes they have flaps that you can tuck the insert in, like this one. And you can also use these with a folded up pre-fold or flat, folded into a rectangle shape like this insert. Some of the inserts will come with a stay dry lining. It's moisture wicking. Some of them don't. The next type is a pocket diaper. The pocket diaper looks like this. It has the waterproof outer and a moisture wicking inner, and then in between them there is a pocket where you can stuff an insert. And again, you can use a flat or a pre-fold folded up as the insert, and that is the pocket diaper. The next type and last type is the all-in-one diaper, which is just like what it sounds. It has the waterproof layer and the absorbent layer all sewn into one diaper. This one has flaps that flap out, so it dries faster. A lot of them will just come with all the layers sewn together completely. And there you go, one piece just like a disposable. There's one more type, which is called a hybrid fitted, which is in between this fitted and the all-in-one, where it is a diaper that goes around the baby, just like a disposable diaper, but it is only somewhat waterproof. More waterproof than this, less waterproof than this. So I've gone through all of the types now, and I'm going to tell you some more features. These features apply to pretty much all the types. They can have either Velcro fastenings or snap fastenings, and then they can be either one size fits all, which this one is because it has what are called rise snaps. So depending on how you snap the front of it, you can make it shorter or taller. And then depending on where you put the snaps around the waist, you can make it bigger or smaller. This diaper cover does not have rise snaps, and it will only fit one size of baby. So if you got this brand, you'd have to get multiple sets as your baby grew older, or multiple sets for multiple different children. Also, I showed you one type of insert. There are multiple different kinds and materials of inserts, and I'll make another video on that. And I think that's pretty much all of the basics. So, one thing I forgot to mention is that for the basic diaper or the fitted diaper, instead of using the basic fabric waterproof cover, you can use a wool cover because wool can be waterproofed, and wool is a whole own subject that I will explain in another video. Another thing that I forgot to mention, which I wish I knew when I started cloth diapers, was that Flats can be called flour sack towels. This flat is actually a literal flour sack towel from Target. So if you see FST or flour sack towel, people are talking about using flour sack towels as flats. And I think that's everything. Thanks for watching. See you later. Happy cloth diapering.